सब एवरीबॉडी, ये मेरा सेकंड चैनल है। फर्स्ट चैनल आपको सबको पता होगा तो उसको भी जाके सब्सक्राइब करो। और ये वाला सेकंड
Drink wise, I do love coffee. Whoa! What are you doing? We'll say that white coat sure looks good. Call Jules at checkout, brother. Oh, you're a criminal! Ah, you're a criminal! Get her! Get her! What's going on? Bro, who is this guy? Oh, I just scratched the carbon! Damn it! Whoa, brother! Whoa! He's doing it too! See, that's the problem. There's people in the left lane, right? People in the left lane. Mind you, we're going like around the speed limit. And there's people in the left lane, mouth breathers. Why are these people passing me? That's literally because, like, brother, left lane is a passing lane. So when you're not passing in the left lane, faster traffic wants to move around you. And it causes people to pass in the right lanes. It's like, dude, if those laws were actually enforced, you know, maybe less people would just chill in the left lane. Oh, he looks so good on that fire blade. Oh my god! You cutie patootie! Oh, he just blew me a kiss. Ah! Ah!